Today we are pansexual because all we're doing is pulling trannies. What's up, guys? I'm here with my buddy Ding Dong, and this is Ding Dong's YJ, or half of his YJ. The other half is over here. So this is kind of a project that's been started, and then everybody who's supposed to help with the project kind of bailed. So I'm here, and we're getting this thing done. So it's been parked for a couple reasons, but the main one is that we cracked the bell housing for the transmission. And then, taking it apart, there's a couple other things. Need some motor mounts, but we're going to put a lift kit on this thing, and we're going to do a total frame-off restoration. And by the time you see this thing next, it's going to be pretty nice. So what I did was I was able to source a new transmission off of a buddy of mine for a hell of a deal. So we have another AX15 transmission that needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but everything's there. So we have the bell housing that we needed, and I guess just a spare transmission and a spare transfer case for now. But we did need the bell housing, so this is definitely coming apart. But the goal is that we are going to take this whole unit off today, the whole entire transmission, or maybe we can pull the engine out, and then throw the other one in and see if everything lines up and make sure it fits, and then go from there, and then take the whole thing down to a body. You ready to get overhauled?
I'm ready.
Yeah. So it got dark last night, but yeah, we pulled the engine and the transmission. The engine is on its stand over there. We got the transmission out, and now we just have the axles, the gas tank, and that stuff. So day 2, we're gonna pull all this stuff. So that's gonna be another video. Stay tuned. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. We're gonna be pumping this out because it's gonna be a fast project. So I'm gonna put out videos pretty much as soon as I get done editing them. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. Catch you guys next time.